Hello, my name is Sonia Walker. I'm the founder of Kids First Children's Services at Brookvale. You may have heard of Kids First. We run free community service seminars for parents, and our psychologists, speech pathologists, occupational therapists and teachers have supported more than 11,000 local children and their families in the last 11 years. This year, we're starting our community service seminar program with something just a little bit different. And that is a professional development event that is exclusively for early educators who work in Northern Beaches preschools and early childhood centres. It's called Communicating with Care. It's one of our most popular workshops that we run for early educators, and this year we're going to offer it to you and to your staff for free on the 30th of January. It's just a couple of weeks away. This is a fantastic event to support early educators as they develop their skills in identifying children who have unique needs and learning how to have effective, clear and caring conversations with parents so that mums and dads will understand the observations that you're making, the recommendations that you're giving, and that they will hear the concerns that you've had. One of the things that early educators most often say to us is that they feel nervous about having those conversations, and often the load for having those conversations falls to the centre director or the room leader. Our plan for this program is to empower our early educators so that they feel confident to have these conversations, and to that end our team of psychologists, teachers, speech pathologists and occupational therapists are all going to be present on the 30th of January to provide you and your team with strategies, information, scripts that you can use that are tried and true and that work in these slightly stressful situations. The idea is to build your team's skills, build their confidence, help them to step into that professional space so that they can be of service to the families and the children that you work with. So down below you'll find information about the event. You'll also find a downloadable flyer that you can share with your colleagues and with your staff. We hope that you'll join us. We're going to start off the evening with just some light refreshments so that everyone has something in their tummy after a long day at work, and then we're going to get into a really great evening, one that is very, very popular with early educators. This one's going to book out quickly. You will need to have an individual booking for every member of your team who is joining us, but we do hope that you'll come along. We hope that you'll get benefit from it, and if you have any questions at all, give us a call here at Kids First Children's Services at Brookvale. We'll be more than happy to chat with you.